In this video, I will teach you how to use Connect Code of timebucks to earn more, or how to find maximum surveys using Connect Code, how to earn more from timebucks. So you stay with me. And if you did not subscribe my channel yet, subscribe my channel and do not forget to press bell icon, because I keep making such videos for you. Let's move on mobile screen and start video with unique practical. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and type timebucks app and click on download. When downloading is completed, open the timebucks app. This is the place where I will put the Connect code and submit it. But question is, where from I got the Connect code for put it into and getting more earning? Log into your timebucks account. And if you did not join yet, join the website first by clicking joining link in video description. And register account and log in into your account. Then go to 3 green lines on top left side and touch on it. One menu will open. Come downside little bit. You will find Setting tab. Click on it. And go to Downside More, where you can see in your profile. Go downside, and at end you will see a code like this code. This code is the code which I copy and paste it into timebucks app. As I pasted the Connect code into timebucks app, it shown many surveys provider which you can use them time to time and earn more and more. It is all those survey provider apps or all the companies which give survey to people for daily earning. Open all these apps from time to time and search for surveys according to your country, location, region, sex, your age, your profession, and earn more money. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.